Hello and welcome to the How to Earn $1,000 a Month by Swing Trading Crypto series. In this video, we're going to talk about BRET, ticker symbol BRETT. So go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Nothing I say in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm simply sharing my path and my experience with you. Only invest what you can stand to lose or be stuck holding for a long period of time. And beware of the spam in the comments. You might have someone ask questions about how to move crypto from their wallet to an exchange, providing a security key password. But please pay no attention to that. And the other one is a conversation that strikes up about how someone showed them how to trade and made them rich, and try to leave you a contact or leave their contact information for another user, hoping that you'll look at that and contact that person on Telegram or WhatsApp or whatever, some other similar platforms. Please be wary of those type of spam, and know that they are in no way affiliated with the channel. All right, so we're talking about BRET. If you've already invested in BRET, bought, hold, sold, traded, or plan to invest in the future, or even if you plan to do more research about BRET, go ahead and put a hashtag BRET in the comments. So in this video, we're going to talk about the all-time high of BRET, when that occurred, what that price was, and was there any extenuating circumstances that caused it to reach that plateau. Once we look at the all-time high of BRET, we're going to go ahead and look at the last 21-day price action, and we're going to pick out the highest price during that 3-week time span and the lowest price. Then we're also going to pick out 5 of the top 5 trading opportunities during that 21 days. From there, we'll do a simulated trade, seeing how much we would have made if we took advantage of those 5 top trading opportunities over the last 21 days. And then after that, we're going to look at the check to see if there's any other trading opportunities out of the top 5 worth mentioning. And then once we look at that price action of BRET for those 3 weeks, we'll go ahead and look at the tokenomics. And the tokenomics, we're going to talk about the current price, market cap, and other important information about the coins that help us better predict when to buy and sell and trade BRET. All right, so what was the all-time high of BRET? That occurred on December 1st, 2024, and just over 21 cents at 0.214. Now during this time, it's like BRET was fairly new, so like a lot of other meme coins, they'll start at a higher price, and then I guess the initial investors or whatever would go ahead and cash out some of their profits or pay some of their staff or whatever they have. So it's normal for it to drop drastically. But being a fairly new coin, it hasn't reached that peak yet. So we'll see what it does during its first bull season. So let's go ahead and look at how it performed over the last 3 weeks. So we're looking at the price. We're going to go from June 29th to July 20th. That's a period of 21 days. And at that time, the highest price it reached was 72 cents. So that is, it topped its all-time high by far. So we'll look at that again. And the lowest price we had seen here was 58 cents. So 72 cents occurred on July 18th here. 58 cents occurred July 6th. So it was here. But it's not looking like it's accurate. Okay, so that's why. So if you see over here, we got these wrong. This is, if anything, this should be a 0 there. So 0.72, so 7 cents, and almost 6 cents should be 0.058. But it doesn't matter because we're going by the range anyway when we do the profit margins. So anyway, 0.058 is the low, and the 0.072, so just over 7 cents, as you can see up here. All right, so let's take a quick look at these profit margins. And the first one occurred July 1st to July 3rd, 17% margin in 1 day. That was pretty, or for 2 days, that was pretty good. Then July 4th, just looks like July 4th, not July 6th. So we got July 10th, so 6 day, under a week, 30.5%. Then here, July 11th or July 12th, call it the 12th to the 14th, 2 days at 12.6%. Then we have our July 15th to July 18th, a 3-day at 22.4%. And then a July 18th to July 20th at 12.7%. So we see here, these were some good ranges. Let's see how it fared during this time. So when we go and look at this 17, or what we're going to do next, we're going to do a simulated trade with $3,000. We're going to convert these percentages into decimals. So for instance, 17% will be 0.17. So we'll take 3,000 and multiply it by 0.17, and that'll give us our dollar amount that we made profit. And if you want to use another amount because you say, hey, well, I might have more or less, or you want to see whatever number, just break out your calculator and do that, and we'll go down the line. So here, starting with the 17%, let's pull out our calculator. 17% would have made $510. That's 30.5%, because this is 3,000 times 0.0 or 0.305. So would have made $915. So these are some excellent trades. This 12.6 would have made $378. And this 22.4% would have made $672. And then finally, this 381%, or sorry, this 12.7% would have made $381. And then you would have got $28.56 off of those top 5 trades. And then let's see here, even from here to here, another 5 or 6%. Next would be 7-8% there. Another 3 to 4% here. This one maybe 4 to 5% here from this low to this high. Those would have been hard to catch though. But for the most part, it's like one of the best coins to trade during that time period. Not the best, but one of the best. And notice that once we got this low here established, our low, except for this one, kind of went up. So you were probably expecting here, somewhere in here, to buy back in. But anyway, these lows started to climb again. So meme coins can be a little off teal, following patterns. So let's go ahead and see if we were, just to get 15 within this range, of 15% of this range and that range, the low and the high. We got real close to $2,000, and there's still 9 days left in this 30-day trading cycle. So this is that $3,000 could have easily get doubled over this last 21 days plus the next 9. So Brett would be one of the excellent coins to trade. And there we have it for the price action of Brett over the last 3 weeks. Let's look at the tokenomics real quick and kind of see what right now is sitting at just over 6 cents at 0.06222. And it's number 159 in market cap. So that is $616.9 million market cap. 24-hour trading volume is just under $35 million. Circulating supply, total supply, and max supply, actually circulating supply and total supply is at 9.9 billion. And then the max supply is just 12 coins under 10 billion. Or I should say, get fancy with that, 1,012 under 10 billion. So most of them are in circulation. These are probably held for something else. Looks like they released all of them as most Solana meme coins do. They don't hold coins back from max supply. They usually put them all in so they don't dilute over time. All right, so that's basically it for the tokenomics, and that's Brett Coin in a nutshell. So if you liked this video or found it useful, go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe to the channel, you get notified when new material is posted. And if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and leave a hashtag Brett in the comments if you plan to, if you're interested in learning more about Brett. If you want to see other cryptos broken down in the same manner, go ahead and click the rectangle in the middle of the screen. If you want to see what else this channel offers as far as types of videos, click the circle on the bottom right. So thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next one.